So here at Open Study College, we have a range of different nail courses, really starting from the basic manicure and working up to your gel extensions, your fiberglass, your acrylics. We also have our complete nail tech course, and then a range of add-ons, which we class as like your nail art, your sculpting, and so many more. But most importantly, with our nail courses, you will always cover the basics of client consultation, how to deal with our clients on a daily basis, how to check for those contraindications, nail diseases, disorders, and how to recognize and identify them, and also how to deal with them. You'll also cover your basic nail structure, so learning about where the nail grows from, the damage that can be caused if nail extensions and generally nail overlays aren't put on, looked after and removed correctly. And moving forward to things like basic hygiene, how to make sure we're not cross-contaminating, spreading infection, and then rounding up with things like your aftercare and generally how to look after our clients, getting them to rebook and build your business. You can do two options. You can either purchase the course on its own, and maybe you have products at home or you want to purchase your kits elsewhere, then that's absolutely fine. Or you can purchase the course and kit directly from us, which we will then provide you with everything that you need to complete your course and upload all of your evidence. I've specifically put these courses and kits together, so I know that you're going to have everything that you need within that one kit. And it's a really simple and effective way of learning by purchasing the course and kit together. So for example, when you're completing our nail courses, you'll have a practice hand like so, like the one I've got in front of me, where you can practice on, but also complete all of your practical evidence on and upload your pictures for. So if you're struggling with models or you don't have people around you that will allow you to work on them when you're practicing, then this is your option. So remember, it's course on its own or course and kit together. Two different options. So this is something new for you. So maybe you want to learn at home and you want to complete the online side, but you just want that extra support, that feeling of having a tutor in front of you, guiding you step by step, then the virtual courses are perfect for you. This allows you to have access to a 2-hour virtual course with myself, which I will go through problem solving, take you step by step through your procedures. We can talk through any problems that you may be having, and again, guide you through that learning experience. So that's our virtual courses that is combined with the online side, just giving you that extra option of having that tutor support.